I asked AI to provide businesses. You can start with 500K or less, and I want to vet it and show or tell you if it is realistic. Okay, so let's get started. So AI is saying that you can start a food business with less than 500K, catering or small food vendor. So you can start it. You can start street food that is very popular in Nigeria, like jollof rice, shawarma, or small chops. Is it true? Absolutely. Even in this economy, yes, you can start a food business with 500K or less. Yes. So if you are looking to start your food business, this is your sign. Number two, saying that you can start food delivery service. With the rise of online platforms, you can offer food delivery service in your area, partnering with local restaurants or preparing your meals with that could attract kiniko kiniko. Yes, so that is true. Yes, you can pay somebody to develop one app for you, and you can partner with food deliveries in your area, food companies in your area to deliver for them. It's still under food business. So the second one or the third one is baking or cake making. If you have a knack for baking, you could start a small baking business offering cakes, pastries, and other baking goods or baked goods for events like birthdays, weddings, and parties. Is it true? Of course, yes. You can start with as low as 500K or even less, actually. You can even use your customer money to bake cake for them and deliver. Isn't that right? So far, you have the skill. Business don't start. So now you're saying you can start e-commerce store. This is interesting. You can start an online store selling products like clothing, accessories, gadgets, or beauty products. Platforms like Jumia, Konga, or even social media, Instagram and Facebook are good places to market your product. Is this true? Of course, absolutely. I am an e-commerce business owner. So yes, yes, yes. It's also saying under the online business, so dropshipping, that you can start dropshipping. Is it true? If you don't want to deal with inventory, you can start a dropshipping business where you sell products directly from suppliers to customers and they handle the shipping. Is that true? Absolutely. So if you'll be looking to start dropshipping business that people have been talking about, this is just time to go start. Go, go, go now. Go and start. Yeah. Another one is real estate agents. With 500K, you can start a small real estate agency. You can work as a middleman between property owners and renters or buyers, earning a commission for successful transactions. Is this true? Absolutely. And don't forget, I'm vetting AI, and the one that is not correct, I'm absolutely going to tell you. So if you want to start your real estate agency, this is your sign to go start. AI is really doing good. So far, so good. Are you enjoying the video? Make sure you like and subscribe. Number four, agriculture. Poultry farming. Start a small scale poultry farm, e.g., for egg production or broilers. So he's saying it's a popular business in Nigeria. Is that true? Absolutely. You can invest in poultry itself, housing and feeding, and with proper management, it can be profitable. Yes, if you have been looking to start poultry business with 500K, you can start fishing farming. It's still under farming business or agriculture. You can start farming business with 500K. That is what AI is saying. Yes. Number five, beauty and care and personal care. Barbing and hairdressing salon. Opening a small barber shop or hairdressing salon is a relatively low cost business that can be profitable, especially if you are located in an area with high foot traffic. Okay, is this feasible? Should we? Should we? Should I vet this? It is possible and no at the same time, because rent alone, it is not really feasible. It is not. With 500K, that will even take the rent alone, unless you people want to be doing under the tree hairdressing or a hair. So no. Beauty products and service. You can start a business in makeup, skincare, pedicure, manicure. I think that is visible. If you are doing home service, anyways. So laundering and dry cleaning business. Yeah, this is another good one. People in urban areas are often looking for laundry services. So you can start offering washing, ironing, and dry cleaning services in your area. I think this is 500K is even too much for it. We are in number six, so So if you are looking to start business, can you see ideas now? Number 7, freelance services, content writing, graphics design or web development. If you have skills in writing, graphics design, all you need is a good internet and the right skills to attract clients from local and international markets. Even with less than 500k, you can start this one. But if you need to replace your gadget, I think the 500k is still okay. Digital marketing, you can offer social media management, SEO and digital advertising service to small businesses looking to grow their online presence. That is even too much to start. So see ideas. AI is giving me ideas. Even me, I'm writing and jotting things down. Event planning services. With 500k, you can start an event planning business specializing in weddings, parties, or events or corporate events. You need to invest in marketing and small toolkits of event supplies, e.g., doc, decor materials. Yes. Import and resale, that is number 9. We have see ideas. So I hope I'm not too fast, but you can write all these things down. Import and sell products. You can start an importation business where you source goods from international suppliers, e.g., China or the US, and sell them locally. Popular items include electronics, fashion, and home appliances. You know that before AI said that home appliances, I wanted to mention the home appliances. Yes, like all these them cookwares and all of that. Yes, with 500k, can you start? I'm vetting this, with electronics care. Unless you'll be doing sea shipping and you wait it out for like 3 months, you still need to up that budget. 500k is not enough. Even clearing fee alone, sef, no. But you can start like with small little, like 10 to 15 pieces. That's so little, but it's still okay. I think I will leave that one to you. Can you start with 500k with what I've mentioned? Number 10, transportation business, taxi or ride hailing service. Ride hailing service. If you already have a car, you can start a ride hailing service with Uber or Bolt. Alternatively, you can also invest in a small fleet of motorcycle Okada. This business is saying transportation business. Buy Okada and give it to somebody. Or but 500k cannot buy Okada. You cannot buy Marua. You cannot buy anything right now. So no, I disagree. Unless you already have your own car and want to start working with both. Tech startup. Number 11, mobile app development. If you have programming skills, you could start a mobile app development company. You could create useful apps for local if you be the only employee in that startup, fine, go ahead. Mobile phone and accessory sales. Okay, you say you can start a small business of selling phones, charger and cases. I don't think phone should be is that charger and cases that you begin to sell. Phone care. So I think that is everything AI is saying that you can start with 500k, and I think I agree with most of them. While some are you can a bit shaky, I think it's still doable. So it's saying tips for success. You should do your market research. You should do proper planning. You should go and look for customer focus, like delivering excellent service, customer satisfaction. Then you now scale gradually, start reinvesting your profits. Then you say you should leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your business and engage with customers. With careful planning, dedication, and a good understanding of your target audience or target market, you can grow a successful business with 500k in Nigeria. I agree 80%. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.